Close your eyes for a second. Imagine walking into a room and being greeted by color, by fragrance, by something alive. That's what blooming plants do to a home. They don't just fill a corner, they change the entire feeling of a space. Today, we're exploring some of the most beautiful indoor blooming plants you can grow. Some effortless, some a little more rewarding, but every single one of them capable of transforming your home into something extraordinary. Let's begin. First up, the chrysanthemum. Rich, jewel-toned blooms that instantly light up a room. These do best on a sunny windowsill with good airflow. Often treated as a seasonal plant indoors, but with the right care, you can actually coax a second bloom out of them. Next, the lipstick plant. A gorgeous trailing variety that produces bright red tubular flowers. And yes, they genuinely look like tiny lipsticks emerging from a case. Give it well-draining soil and bright filtered light, and it can reward you with blooms multiple times throughout the year. Then there's jasmine. Delicate white flowers, and a fragrance that can fill an entire room with calm. It thrives in sunny spots, and benefits from consistent care and light pruning. With different varieties blooming at different times, you can enjoy jasmine across multiple seasons. Gloxinia is one you have to see to believe. Velvety leaves, large trumpet-shaped flowers in the most vivid shades. This plant becomes a true focal point when it's in bloom. It prefers warm conditions and indirect light, making it ideal for bright indoor spaces. Regal Geraniums bring a classic garden elegance indoors. Bold blooms, beautifully textured foliage, they prefer cooler indoor temperatures and bright indirect light. Place them well, and they'll bloom with the kind of confidence that anchors a room. For a tropical touch, meet Ixora. Dense clusters of small, vibrant blooms that feel like a permanent vacation. It thrives in warmth and humidity, making it perfect for a sun-drenched bathroom or a well-lit sunroom. In the right conditions, it can bloom throughout the entire year. Don't let the name fool you. Crown of Thorns is a surprisingly charming plant. It's a hardy succulent that produces delicate blooms in pink, red, or yellow. Plenty of sunlight, minimal watering, and it blooms far more often than you'd expect. Perfect for anyone who wants beauty without the fuss. Hoya Albo Carnosa starts off as a striking foliage plant, but then something magical happens. It produces clusters of small, star-shaped flowers that are almost otherworldly. Bright, indirect light, occasional watering once the soil dries out, and over time, it becomes a stunning hanging plant that balances foliage and bloom beautifully. Anthurium is one of the most well-loved indoor plants, and for good reason. Glossy leaves, heart-shaped blooms that can last for weeks. It creates this impression of a plant that's always flowering. Warm conditions, bright indirect light, consistent moisture. It's not demanding, just consistent. The desert rose is bold, sculptural, and dramatic. Thick stems, large trumpet-shaped flowers. It makes a statement the moment it blooms. It needs strong sunlight and well-draining soil to thrive indoors. It requires patience. But when it finally blooms, you'll understand every single day you waited. If elegance had a plant form, it would be the moth orchid. These bloom for months at a time, and despite how delicate they appear, they're genuinely resilient. Indirect light, careful watering, without letting the roots sit in water, and with the right conditions, they'll rebloom year after year. Bromeliads are exotic, modern, and incredibly low maintenance. Their colorful bracts, which resemble flowers, last for an exceptionally long time. Bright indirect light, minimal watering. Through their central cup, they bring a sculptural, contemporary energy to any space. Purple Oxalis is one of those plants that surprises you daily. Its leaves open and close in response to light like a living mood ring. Small star-shaped flowers bloom frequently, and with bright indirect light and slightly moist soil, it stays vibrant and active all year long. When the colder months arrive, Cyclamen steps in. Delicate butterfly-like blooms in the middle of winter. It's one of nature's most comforting offerings. It prefers cool temperatures and indirect light. After blooming, it enters dormancy, but with proper care, it always comes back. This one is special, the Calamondin Orange. Fragrant white flowers that eventually develop into small, edible fruits right inside your home. It needs bright light and moderate watering, but what it gives back both visually and literally is unlike any other plant on this list. Then there's Amaryllis Pure Drama. Large, bold blooms that command attention the moment they open. Bright light, careful watering through its growth cycle, and every single time it blooms, it feels like an event. A celebration happening right inside your home. Clivia is a plant that teaches patience and then rewards it generously. It produces clusters of vibrant, long-lasting flowers after a resting period. It tolerates a range of light conditions and prefers to dry slightly between waterings. Slow to bloom, yes, but once it does, it stays. And it comes back, year after year. And finally, Rex Begonia. Primarily celebrated for its jaw-dropping foliage, swirling colors, intricate patterns, it also produces delicate blooms that complement those striking leaves. Bright indirect light, slightly moist soil, and even when it's not flowering, it earns its place in your home every single day. One plant, one sunny spot. That's all it takes to change how your home feels. If this video inspired you, give it a like, subscribe, and comment which plant you're bringing home first. Your space is waiting. Go give it something alive. See you in the next one.